Hello everybody. For those of you looking to replace your fuse due to issues with your cigarette lighter on 2016 Tundra, could be later models, newer models as well, but I looked at other videos. I couldn't get the right answer. They kept saying that it was the cigarette lighter fuse, but that's not the right one. I will explain to you in a minute, but if you're having issues with your cigarette lighter, or in other words the outlet, this is the video for you. So down here, if you look under near your pedals, you'll see this cover on there. Okay, this cover goes here. I took it off already. You just look at this cover here, and most videos on YouTube or whatever, they'll tell you to replace this one here, which is the 15 amp sig. Okay, I took it out. That fuse was fine. So the one that you need to replace is actually this one here, right here, 15 amp power outlet. That's the one you need to replace. Okay, so you just take off the little cover there. It's got a little tab right here. Just kind of pull down on it on this side. Okay, pull down like this. Okay, and if you don't got yourself a set of pliers like this, then you can go over to your front fuse box that's here. It's like this. You just pull this tab up. There's some spares right here. Okay, there's a 30 and a 5 right now, but I used the 15. Okay, and there's these little pullers. Okay, there's this little puller thing that actually sits right here. Okay, so you can use that. You just gotta squeeze it, pull it out. That's it. Okay, and that's all you do. You just go in there, you pull the fuse out, replace it, and that'll fix your problem. Okay, that's it. Have a great day.